Hello students, welcome to Price YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligence test, and the topic is social intelligence. In previous one there is a emotional intelligence, but now socially how you are responding to the surrounding peoples or surrounding in your natural point of view, means to the human beings and even animals also. So that your responsibility in a society. Okay, so that is checking in this topic. So in this video, we are going to see the practice test IT030's answers. Okay. So question number one is there. John is traveling by bus. He ate groundnuts in a bus. Which action suitable from below options? So there is a he thrown the groundnut shells in a dustbin kept at the bus stop. Means your means he has to suppose do this one. Okay. Means that is your opinion. Okay. So option number three is the correct one. Then question number two. During summer, Swati's mother has switched on the lights even in the bright sunlight. What should Swati do? So in this one, she will explain the importance of the power saving to her mother and switch off the lights herself. Okay. So means option number four is the correct one. Then question number three. You go for a school picnic to Raigad Fort. During your visit, the fort which is of the below action is suitable. Option number two, collecting waste and the cleaning the surrounding of the fort. That is very important. Okay, we have to clean our fort. We have to keep it. We have to protect that one. Okay, so that is the heritages for us. Okay, so option number two is a correct one. Then question number four, cleanliness drive was arranged for your village by your school. What would you do during the such events? Okay, so for this one you will register your name and be a part of this event, means you will join that one. So option number one is the correct one. Then question number five, people are affecting by earthquake and needed help. What would you do? So in this one you will collect funds for the earthquake relief to from the people, means which are affected, okay, by the earthquake. So option number one is the correct one. Then question number six, due to continuous traffic, there is a lot of noise pollution. What would you do? What would you do? So in this one, we'll log a complaint to the road traffic authorities. Okay, so the option number three is a correct one. Then question number seven, there is a cultural program and you are selected for stage decorations along with a group of students. How will you behave? So the correct answer is will work yourself and also allow everyone else to work, means option number two is the correct answer, means this is a correct response. Now question number eight, your school has decided to help flood affected people. How would you participate? So in this one you will arrange for the awareness program to help flood affected people, means option number two is the correct one. Then question number nine, you want to make your village addictions free. Okay, so what should you do? So in this one you will explain disadvantage of addictions to the villagers. Okay, so option number one is the correct one. Then question number 10, Rafiq invites Kishore for celebrating Eid festival with him. What should Kishore do? So he should go to his place and test all the type of the different festival delicacies. Okay, so option number one is the correct one. Then question number 11, in the school, after drinking water from the tap, Prachi left the tap open, or we can say the on. Okay, so Ronak saw it. What should Ronak do? So explain Prachi the importance of the saving water and close the tap himself. Okay, this is the correct way. So option number two is the correct way. Then question number 12. You are in a queue of railway ticket reservation. A person who is not from the queue told Madhav to book a ticket for him. What should Madhav do? So, in this one, tell him gently to join the queue and book a ticket. That is the correct way to communicate. Okay, so this is not the way people are standing in a queue, and the person outside should not be interfere that queue. So, option number two is a correct way. Then, question number 13, Sagar found rupees 500 on a school ground. What should he do? So, give it to the teachers immediately, okay, or hand it to the administrations inside the school. So, option number one is the correct way. Then question number 14. Villagers decided to build a lake for collecting rainwater for farming. What should Subhan Rao do? So in this one, Subhan Rao will voluntarily contribute his labor in a constructions of the lake. So means helping to the their activities. So option number 2 is a correct one. Question number 15. Rashmi has severe cough. What she should do? So she should cover her mouth and the nose with clean handkerchiefs. Okay, so others should not be affected with this one. Same. So option number 1 is the correct way. Thank you.